Hi everyone, thanks and welcome to another video. Today we're going to cover the Volvo S60. The first generation Volvo S60 produced between 2000 and 2009 has a reputation for being reliable and a well-built car. Although like any vehicle, it has its strengths and its potential issues. Here's a detailed look at the reliability of the first generation Volvo S60. Factors that is contributing to reliabilities are, when it comes to the engines, the S60 offers a range of 5 cylinders, including naturally aspirated and turbocharged versions. These engines are known for their durability and smooth performance. Regular maintenance such as timely oil changes, time belt replacements and the use of quality fluids is essential to ensure the longevity of the engine. Safety and build quality. This Volvo is renowned for its commitment to safety, and the S60 is equipped with numerous safety features, such as a side impact airbag, anti-lock brakes, and advanced traction control systems. The car's solid build quality and use of durable materials contribute to the overall reliability of the car. Comfort and features. The S60 is praised for its comfortable and well-designed interior, with quality materials and a range of features that enhance the driving experience. The car's ergonomic design and supportive seats make it a popular choice for long drives. Part availability and maintenance. Given the popularity of the S60, parts are generally easy to find and at reasonably priced. Volvo parts can be expensive, but since these parts last quite long, overall the price is fine. Many components are shared with other Volvo models, facilitating repairs and maintenance. The design of the S60 allows for relatively straightforward maintenance, which can be performed by do-it-yourself enthusiasts or professional mechanics. Potential issues to this car are the electric system. The S60 can experience various electrical issues such as problems with the Central Electronic Module, CEM, failing sensors, and issues with the power windows and locks. Regular diagnostics and addressing issues promptly can help mitigate these problems. Then the transmission. The automatic transmissions in the S60 can develop issues if not properly maintained. Regular fluid changes and adherence to service intervals are crucial to avoid these transmission problems. Manual transmissions tend to be more reliable, but they are less common in these kind of cars. Suspension and steering. Suspension components such as control arms, bushings and struts can wear out over time, especially in the high mileage vehicles. Issues with the power steering system, including leaks, have been reported by some owners. The cooling system. Problems with the cooling system such as radiator leaks, thermostat failures and water pump issues can occur. Regular inspection and maintenance are necessary to prevent overheating. The PCV system. The positive crankcase ventilation, or PCV system in short, can become clogged over time, leading to increased oil consumption and potential engine issues. Periodic maintenance of the PCV system is recommended. Owner reviews and expert opinions. Owner reviews. Many owners of the first generation Volvo S60 praise its comfortable ride, strong performance and safety features. High mileage examples with proper maintenance records often highlight the car's durability and longevity. And what does the expert say? Automotive experts generally consider the first generation S60 to be a reliable and well-built car. Its safety features, solid build quality and comfortable interior are often noted as key strengths. Experts emphasize the importance of regular maintenance and timely repairs to keep the S60 running reliable. And the overall conclusion of all of this, the first generation Volvo S60 is generally regarded as a reliable car, particularly when properly maintained. It has durable engines, solid build quality and extensive safety features that contribute to its reputation. However, potential issues with the electrical system, transmission, suspension and cooling system should be monitored and addressed promptly. Regular maintenance and attention to the car will solve problems in the areas that we just mentioned, and this will make sure that the S60 will remain a dependable vehicle for now and in the future. Thanks for watching this buyer's review of the Volvo S60. Hope you find it informative, and if so, please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.